Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the folding door shelf in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new folding door shelf. This folding door shelf is mounted on the top right of the fresh food door. It could be used as an additional shelf or could be folded to allow tall objects to be stored in the top door bin. The main reason to replace the folding door shelf is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. So this is our folding door shelf, and to remove it, we need to lift it up. And we have two hinges here on the sides, and one is not completed. It has like a gap, so we're going to start with that. Pull it off, and the other one just comes off. This is the old folding door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And I'm going to install this folding door shelf. I'm going to bring it in, and in this position, I'm going to slightly angle this side to put it onto the pin, and then I'm going to lower down the opposite side onto the pin on the right side. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.